Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add outline to images in Canva. So for us to be able to do so, let's add in a portrait first that we will add in the outline. So you could upload your own photos here onto the left side, onto the upload section, but onto this video, let's try to use the stock photos that are available on Canva. So here on elements, let's go ahead and search onto the search bar some portraits in here that we could use. So click onto photos and then right after, for example, this one, we're going to go ahead and resize this to make this bigger. And then right after, to go ahead and add in an outline for this, let's remove the background first. Just click onto the photos, click onto edit image, and then click onto the background remover. So as you can see, we have successfully removed already the background for that. Go ahead and add in already the outline under effects, the shadows. Click onto shadows and there is an outline option for you. Click onto that one, and as you can see, it has automatically added an outline. You could adjust the size, make it bigger or make it thinner. So let's leave it up until 46, and then you could also change the color for that. So choose any outline color that you like. It may be red, black, or anything. And then right after, you could also change the intensity for that or the transparency of the outline. So adjust this as per your liking. And that is just basically it, how you add an outline to images in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.